In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use TripAdvisor to plan a trip. Whether you're using the website or the app, the goal is to move from curiosity to a clear, confidence-boosting plan. Start by deciding where you want to go, then open TripAdvisor and type your destination into the search bar. This brings up an overview page with popular attractions, hotels, and restaurants. Take a moment to skim this page to get the vibe of the place. The map view helps you understand neighborhoods and how close key sites are to each other, which is useful later when you choose where to stay and eat. Next, dive into accommodations. Click on hotels if you prefer traditional stays, or vacation rentals if you want more space or a home-like setup. Use the filters to narrow options. Set a price range that fits your budget, choose a star rating you're comfortable with, and tick amenities that matter to you, like a pool, Wi-Fi, or breakfast. Sorting by traveler rating can quickly surface consistent winners. Open a few listings, read recent reviews for patterns, and check traveler photos to see what the property really looks like. The map inside each listing helps you gauge walking distance to attractions or transit. If your dates are flexible, compare rates across a couple of days to spot better value. Now explore Things to Do. Head to that tab to see attractions, tours, and unique experiences. Open listings that catch your eye, read the descriptions and highlights, and note practical details like duration and opening hours. Reviews often mention the best times to visit, how long lines can be, or whether a guided tour adds value, which helps you sequence your days realistically. When it's time to plan meals, go to the Restaurants tab. Filter by cuisine to match your cravings, by price to stay on budget, and by rating to focus on reliable options. Open menus, browse photos, and read reviews to get a sense of portion sizes, atmosphere, and service. Look for the Traveler's Choice badge or consistently high ratings as quick quality signals. If you have dietary needs, scan for mentions of vegetarian, vegan, or gluten-free options. Use the map to check how close a place is to your hotel or a site you'll be visiting, and check peak times in reviews to avoid long waits. Finally, visit the travel forums. Search your destination to find insider advice, local tips, and hidden gems shared by people who've recently been there. Focus on recent threads for up-to-date information and skim any pinned guides or top questions for essential context. With this approach, you'll turn TripAdvisor into a clear, step-by-step planning companion and head into your trip fully prepared.